So I'm here today on my IKEA Foundation ambassador trip, and we're actually at World Vegetable Center today, where we visited the partner project called Veggies for Planet and People. And it's been really incredible to see how the partners work together with local farmers, teaching them how to farm sustainably with the different types of solutions like drip systems, also working with organic pesticides. The thing that I was most impressed by was a solar-powered water pump, which replaces the dirty diesels, and that really helps farmers to, again, farm in a more sustainable way.
This pump, it's very easy to use, and
It's been fantastic to be able to see that with my own eyes, and also to see actually more corporate businesses connecting to what the farmers produce. So we saw a great example of Tawi, who run a digital platform where they connect farmers to local businesses like restaurants and hotels, who then buy these beautiful crops to use in their restaurants and kitchens. Amazing day.